Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
The lineups we've just been given. Off we go then. And it's Willian. Willian pumps it forwards. Looks to slip it through. It's come loose. Goalkeeper's ball. Hit into the middle. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Tries to get it forward quickly. Forward it goes. Aimed long and direct. Looks like a good ball through. He's away! Chance! Keeps everyone guessing. Hoists it high. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
Yeah, fractional, but fractional is enough. He was off.
Leno gets it upfield. Keeper's got good distance on that. To the keeper and go again. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Good challenge. He just stood firm. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Well, that looks like a final warning. Still no card. Away from immediate danger. That'll be a throw. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Willian. Raul. Driving on now, what can they conjure from here? Loose ball, who's going to get that? Pumps it upfield. Brought forward, what does he try from here? Tries to swing it in. It's there! Oh, the cross was inch perfect, and the header unerring.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
Arsenal break the deadlock.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
Willian shoots! And he's there to make a great save.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Spoon forward, into the channel. Pumps it into the area. And he's got his range wrong there. And that's another throw. Leno gets it upfield. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Tries a through ball. Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. Good progress he's made on the ball. Where to next? Arsenal are leading with half-time drawing close. Lobs it in gently. Now the pass. He's gone for goal! And that is a routine catch.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Passes it through. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. He acknowledges that he should have come up with some... And the first 45 minutes are up.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Arsenal leading 1-0 at the break. Here's the start of the second half.
Arsenal going well here, and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead. They don't have to overcommit, but they can place more emphasis on stretching their advantage without necessarily neglecting things defensively.
Plays it out to the wing. Caught offside that time.
Oh, just when we were about to appreciate a lovely one-touch pass, the flag ruined the moment.
Goes long. Oh, good interception. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? No question, that's a foul.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
Yeah, it's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Great challenge. Whipped in. He's there to get rid. Tries a through ball. Plays it out to the flank. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Boots it upfield. Pushes it out wide. Oh, glorious footwork! Can he finish? And oh! He's missed, but not by that far.
Well, the keeper was helpless then. He knew he wasn't getting to it, so for a second or two he must have been praying it was off target, and he got lucky, very lucky.
the right now. What's on? He's still going. Where to next? Out for a throw. Into the middle. Up for a header! He will be livid with himself. They are working very hard to get it wide now, Jim.
Yeah, that's true.
And is that how you're seeing it?
Yeah, I think they've decided to concentrate on working the flanks to help the production line. It's where the room is.
Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Good defending there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Now the pass. Timely intervention. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
Yeah, I think the problem there was that the pass was telegraphed. An easy read for the defence.
Willian. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Get a throw in. There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Turns and goes back. Looking to shoot! Oh, and that should have been two.
Oh, it should have been the clincher, Peter, and he'll be kicking himself for not taking the pressure off.
Keeper's got good distance on that. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Cuts it out. Knocks it towards the front. Played out to the right. Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be. Looks like a good ball through. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Fires it in low. Boots it to safety. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Charges in. Clears it out of harm's way. Who's going to make this theirs? 4 extra minutes added on. Arsenal need to hold on for a few more moments. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Really smart interplay.
Well, that was textbook stuff on the 1-2 there. Great link-up play. Difficult to deal with.
Looks to slip it through. Well played, he saw that coming. That's a promising ball. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Leno gets it upfield. There is the final whistle. Arsenal win it by the only goal. Result, no question, the most important thing, however it came. Final score, 1-0.
Well, once they got that goal, I just thought they were very dogged in seeing the game through. And that clean sheet, key to the win.
And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.